Shandong Xinhai Mining Technology and Equipment Incorporated. Committed to providing customers with a full range of customized turnkey EPC+M+O services, is a turnkey EPC+M+O service provider covering mine design and research, equipment manufacturing, mine operation as well as industry resources integration. Xinhai has served more than 90 countries and regions in the world, which has completed over 500 EPC+M+O projects and has served nearly 2,000 mines. Xinhai consists of Mine Research Institute and Mine Design Institute. Mine Research Institute has CNAS International certification, which can provide mineral processing test reports for more than 70 kinds of minerals. Mine Design Institute is qualified for engineering design, which can carry out mine design in accordance with Australian JORC standards, Valmine specifications and Canadian NI 43-101 standards. 3D design shows the whole picture of the processing plant in advance. One-stop services including production, delivery, installation, commissioning. Is provided customized mine solutions for customers. Xinhai has won the unanimous recognition of domestic and foreign industries and high praise from all walks of life. Optimized solutions for your mine. Xinhai will serve you wholeheartedly.